We're in Texas, baby. All right, welcome back. It is Wednesday, about 8 p.m. We're at the Nashville airport, getting ready to head down to Austin. We have a very special event that we're very excited about, very big deal for Cumberland Creative, that we're gonna be attending down in Austin tomorrow night, and then we're back first thing Friday morning. So quick trip, but it's gonna be cool, gonna be special, and we'll talk about that a little bit more later on in the video.
With small children.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
We're in Texas, baby. Staying in this historic home. It's probably haunted.
Kyle, seriously, shut up. It's not.
Sorry.
Look at it.
We're all thinking that.
No, we're not.
Next documentary is going to be here.
It's actually gorgeous.
That is pretty. Train right to the sink. Yeah, it is pretty. Terry Blacks, yes. It's kind of like the one I hear about all the time. So maybe we can just plan on doing that for lunch.
Yeah.
This way we can keep it animal based.
Yeah, all day.
No tacos, just keep it meat. So we just had coffee, a little breakfast. Coffee, it was good. Best in Austin, I have no idea, but I thought it was pretty solid. Food was solid, so it was a cool spot called Proud Mary. Very good. Now we're going to head over to the Heart and Soil HQ. Gonna check out their HQ, see some of their team, catch up a little bit, probably spend about an hour there, and then we'll head back into Austin because it's about 40 minutes outside of Austin. And so we'll head back to Austin from there, and then we'll grab some lunch, probably try Terry Blacks or some iconic Austin barbecue is gonna be the vibe. And then we got a few errands to run. We're gonna hit a few shops. I did forget my shirt, so Dum Dum's gotta buy another shirt. And yeah, we'll just kind of cool it. We're gonna figure out if we can squeeze a podcast with Tom in or not. So we gotta figure that out. And yeah, that'll be the day. Maybe get a quick workout in at some point if I can. But that's gonna be the day. So just had breakfast, coffee, going to Heart and Soil HQ, and gonna hang out there, come back into town. We're gonna hit some shops and just kind of explore a little bit and then get ready for the premiere tonight. So super excited about it. I think park here or walk up to the front door.
I think so.
We're here to just visit and say hello. We're Kyle.
Kyle, nice to meet you. Kelly.
Teresa.
Teresa.
Isaac.
Isaac, nice to
Nice to meet you.
Give you guys a quick tour. I'll walk you back towards Dean's office.
All right, so we just visited the Heart and Soil HQ, got to hang out with Dean and Matt and Doug, some of the folks we've been working with on the GSP documentary, and then of course on the Seed Oils documentary. So exciting. They also hooked us up with some animal-based protein. They hooked up Teresa and Isaac with some organs. I have like 19 bottles at home, so I didn't need any. But awesome, cool HQ. They got the sauna, cold plunge, gym. We got to see the whole setup, get to talk about the dock a little bit, and crazy timing with this dock and just how much attention seed oils are getting right now, right when it's launching. And obviously we didn't plan that, and like we started shooting this like a year ago or even longer. I was down here in Austin to meet with them to talk about this. So it's just really cool that it's coming out now when seed oils are so popular and all over everybody's feed, and the traffic is there and the awareness is there, versus like 5 months ago or something like that, right? Or maybe 5 months when it dies down. So really cool timing, but a great team. I love working with them. I love the way that they put customer first, like every interaction with them. I just love these guys, love working with them. So yeah, we're gonna go back into Austin now and basically just waste some time, get some lunch, do a little bit of shopping, that sort of thing, get ready for the event tonight. But stoked on it. Sounds like there's gonna be some pretty cool guests at the premiere, which will be cool.
I think that it's just good old Austin barbecue, Texas barbecue.
Way easier, more portable.
Smaller. Look at that cream corn.
That is delicious.
That cream corn wants to spill.
Look at that mac and cheese. That's buck wild. Looks pretty good. That's a spread right there, boy. Imagine being a cowboy and actually looking cool wearing a hat like this. That would be wild. It's like, it's really getting good. Like, it's gonna be great. And so when he had that much confidence, I didn't feel like I needed to watch it and weigh in. And I was like, I'm just gonna kind of let this be an experience.
Dude, okay. Well then, I cannot wait to talk to you after it tonight.
Yeah, I'll be excited too.
I'll be glad to get your opinion.
We are live here in Austin, Texas.
All right, so we're here. The mix and mingling is winding down at the premiere for Fed Alive. We got the red carpet thing going on now, and everybody's making their way into the theater for the first showing of it ever. And we found out that Paul, Dr. Chris, Dr. Nina, everybody in the film basically hasn't seen the film, so it's super exciting. It's a nice crowd here, so about to go in the theater and see it for the first time. So let's do it.
Food is supposed to give us the building blocks needed to build and repair the human body and the energy needed to do those processes.
What we're being told to eat is at the heart of our problem.
That's when it became my own and I started to heal myself.
Kai Schultz, one of my personal health heroes. PhD, best-selling author of The Big Fat Surprise, an incredible book, a science investigator, a journalist, and a real force in this world. Mr. Chris Kenobi, a former practicing physician turned health advocate that's trying to spread this message, an associate professor, and of course, last but certainly not least, Dr. Paul Saladino, double board certified MD and a real spearheading leader of this movement.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Tom, nice to meet you. Steve. Ah, cool. Thank you for making that, man.
Yeah, man.
I hope it goes mega viral and just causes some waves, dude.
Make it happen.
Yeah, I love it. Great, huh? I saw it that good event.
Excited for the start of the conversation.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for everything that you do. Thank you for starting the film. Thanks, brother.
Once we got it figured out.
Well, I think that's just... All right, so premiere's over, went great. People seem to really like the film. And now we're going to the after party here at the Sapien Center. So shouts to Tom, directed an amazing piece, met some cool people, and now we're gonna hang out here for a while. So.
Oh, you're leaving?
Yeah, all right. Congrats, have a good night.
Hey, I'm trying to get to Nashville.
I'm super proud of how this project turned out. I think it looks incredible, and it's just really good. And I'm blown away by it. I'm blown away by the team. I want to give a huge shout out to Tom, who freaking crushed directing it. Tom's been with us for a long time, and you absolutely destroyed this. It's so good. I also want to shout out Chris, who DP'd it, and Tom and Chris were the dynamic duo on this. They really made the budget go as far as it could and really got scrappy and did a lot of things themselves so that they could have more time to work on it. So big shout out to Chris. It looks great. And then also want to shout out Hunter, who worked on the front end of it. I want to shout out Mike, who helped executive produce it, Matthew, who helped produce it, and then huge shout out to our senior editor, Eric Sharpneck. He freaking popped off on this. I mean, it's really, really good. And the editing, I think, is top notch on what really makes it pop. So obviously Tom did a great job working with Eric. Chris did a great job making it look good. But in this type of doc, the planning and stuff is really important, but I feel like the editing is what really makes it come to life, and Eric just absolutely crushed that. So yeah, I mean, I'm honestly could not be more proud of the team. It's surreal to see a piece like that coming out of our shop, and so super stoked on it.